Hi, it's Betty with Betty's Finds. I hope you can hear me over the geese. I'm showing you my ladder and how easy it is to get up and down on it. I'm going to hang this wind chime on my patio. The ladder has 4 wide steps with rubber treads. It has sturdy handles on each side, and it has a bar on top that you can lean against, and it has another support here that you could attach a little shelf to put a paint can on or whatever. When you want to fold it up, you push this in. You just do that and it's all folded up. The ladder's all folded up. I wanted to show you how I move it. I just walk it. Lift one side, then the other. I move it like that because it's heavy, but the heaviness helps me feel safe when I'm up on it, so it's a trade-off. And I love this ladder. It lets me get to my top cabinets. It lets me clean ceiling fans. It's just so nice to be able to reach things.